Guys, I am currently on my way to Emilia. I want to go get a ticket because I tried to use card but they kept declining the payment. I want to go there and do that at the same time, print out certain stuff. I'm going to just head out now. I'm running late, it's almost 4 p.m. and they close really soon. I've been so stressed today. Like I went to three places for this ticket and I still did not succeed. But then I'm just hopeful. I paid but I didn't get any confirmation. So I just had to leave them and come back home because I have a dinner, not dinner date per se, but like a hangout with someone later today, and I have to come home and charge my phone because my phone that I used to vlog, charge my phone and just settle in before the time, sha. So yeah, there's every possibility that I might travel on my planned date or not. Honestly, I really don't know. So I stopped by and bought my dinner because I'm very hungry. I've not had anything in the morning. So yeah, I'm not eat and I'm very ready.
You know, I begin to, I begin to.
It's so special. Boy, how it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know, you're mine for sure. Yeah, you're mine for sure. Yeah, you're mine for sure.
Good morning, guys. So, guys, yesterday I could not talk to you guys. I had so much to eat that I passed out. Like, immediately I got home, I just slept. Like, no cap, because I don't know. So, just something about the food, yeah. And then it was really spicy. The food was actually spicy. I also had alcohol. That place is really a nice place. It's called Cebu Eat. It's in Mactan. Yeah, I went to do it in Mactan. So yeah, it's in Mactan and I had such a good time. Anyways, good morning and today is another day. Today I'm going to be filming a YouTube collaboration with someone. You guys are going to see her later on. Yeah, I'm going to film a YouTube collaboration today. At the same time, I want to go and get travel pass, guys. Although they said you can actually travel without travel pass, but I'm not about to risk it because the day that you go, you don't know if somebody's boyfriend or somebody's girlfriend is fighting them and then they'll decide to use it as scapegoat. So I'd rather just have it and then them not ask me. But I know like two people that have traveled this week and they haven't asked them for travel pass. But then to cut the long story short, I have to go get it. So I'm heading out now so that I can come back, cook, yeah, cook and then film a video, probably edit before she comes. Yeah, I don't even know if I want to do my makeup, if I want to do makeup for the video or not. You guys, today I'm feeling very lazy, but we'll see how it goes. I'll probably do makeup, you guys know. Then be human being.
And that's on
Guys,
period.
Dorcas is here.
And that's on
Give people Philippine
period.
plug is here.
And that's on period.
We are going to film a video.
Okay, let me do Jane's dance. So.
Hey, is that my dance?
I don't know. You be like this.
I'm always like, hey.
You be like,
Wow. I didn't know people notice that I used to dance in my
I don't know how you take it, but like
sometimes.
something like that.
I really don't know how to do that thing. Some people that know how to do things. But I like this one. Hey. Oh my god. Okay. I'm ready. So is it that say we should take it? Anything that
No.
we see we take. So start. Guys, I'm finally back home. Anytime you see me on scarf, just know that I'm having a bad week or a bad hair day. Anyways, today was so stressful, you guys, so stressful. By the way, my video with Dorcas has just gone live on my YouTube channel. I'm going to leave it up here, go check it out. Yeah, it's a video where we just took a Filipino quiz. It's finally up, so make sure to check it out before you leave. Anyways, guys, when it comes to this travel pass, these people really piss me off. First of all, I've never applied for travel pass like since lockdown, because last year I traveled twice during the pandemic when it was really serious. And the twice that I applied in Mandawi City, not in Cebu City, because I just felt like Cebu City is a bit complicated. Like they just tend to stress you unnecessarily. So I always try to use Mandara City, which is where Mimi stays. So I usually use her address to get travel pass. But this time around, I decided, oh, I didn't want to, go all that long journey down to Mandawi. So I was like, oh, I'll just apply in Cebu City. So I applied, and then they gave me the whole travel pass thing, and then I asked for medical certificate. They told me I have to go to City Health to get medical certificate. So I was like, oh, okay. Now I've never been to City Health before. I've never been to City Hall before. So I got a bike here because bike is like the cheapest means, so one of the cheapest means after jeepney. So I got a bike, and I told the guy, oh, City Health. Mind you, I've never been there before, and I forgot to do my research. Normally, I usually Google, oh, where exactly this place located, so I know how to like navigate my area and stuff like that. So I didn't do that, and then the guy ended up taking me to City Hall, and they told me, oh, it wasn't there anymore. That it wasn't there. That they told me like the building I should go to, which was far from City Hall again. So it was more like unnecessary expense. And now thinking about it, I'm like, okay, I would have just paid this money, go to Mandawi, get it done, get it ASAP with medical certificate to get that. I don't have to go and start looking for medical certificate for myself. So it's just crazy. Like, Cebu City just know how to stress people. And you know what? They charge me times two. Times two of what they charge in Mandawi, and I still don't understand it, and I still had to use my own money, my own transport to go and get medical certificates. Honestly, I don't know if it's because I was a foreigner, but the price I got it now is not the price I got travel pass last year, and I still don't understand why. Anyways, I'm about to have lunch. I've not had anything all day. I'm so hungry, like so hungry. So yeah, um I just caught up with you guys. I ended up doing my nails as well. I've not done my nails in months, guys. I think last time I did my nails was February. So my nails has been a hot mess, and of course I can't travel like this, so I decided to get it done. I plan on doing my laundry that today or tomorrow. I think tomorrow. I have two other videos I need to edit because I'll be away for a very long time, and I just want to have a lot of content. Because I don't have lights, I'll not be traveling with lights, so I need to like bulk film a lot of content, which I did. I'm good for next week, I'm good for the upper week, and yeah, I'm thinking about the week after. So I have two videos unedited. I need to do that quickly tomorrow. I'm most likely to film a video again. I'll probably do my laundry, and that will be all. Then I start packing. By the way, if you're still here, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notification bell. Please subscribe. I mean, you cannot come and watch Hi guys, what's up? So I'm finally in Manila. Guys, I had the worst flight ever. I've flown before with Air Asia, but this is the first time I'm having such a very bad experience. The turbulence was crazy, like I couldn't even know what was going on for Misha. But anyways, I'm here now and I'll end the vlog here and I'll let you guys know anything I get up to in Manila. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment as well. And yeah, see you guys next time. Bye, guys.